I'm craving chicken Alfredo pasta today, so I'm gonna make the keto version. I bought these a few months ago, Angel Hair Miracle Noodle, and this only has a 1 net carb. I'm gonna start by salting pepper, garlic powder, and flip and repeat. Add oil. Add your garlic, same pan, and onion. Let this get kind of brown. Then I'm gonna add 2 cups of heavy cream. And while that boils, we're gonna start on the pasta. Heated this up, added some salt. So for the pasta, open it, drain it. It smells like fish, but the scent does go away once you've added it to the pot. Put it in some water. Add it to your water. It's boiling. Add about half of this in here. And some chopped parsley. And mix it up. Chop your chicken. I forgot I wanted to add mushrooms, so I'm doing it separately. The chicken, the pasta, and mix it all up. Add the rest of the parsley. And boom, your very own keto chicken Alfredo pasta.